Hey guys, it's Sunday morning and we're going sa Melrose Flea Market for today. Entrance fee, $5 each, no ID, no entry. First stop natin, mga accessories. Majority niyan, mga vintage stuff. Then we saw some polo bears and polo jackets. Mga custom made sila but still looks cool. Then we saw some paintings over here. Then si Chanel, may nabili na kagad siya. Una pa sa first. Saw some Carhartts, vintage stuffs again, some jackets but not my size, unfortunately. Then, while walking around, nakita ko tong tub ng vintage watches. So, I had to do the digging. Then, ended up buying these two watches. Nakakuha tayo ng dalawang vintage watches. Not bad. And then, we saw some Western bells. Lahat magaganda and ended up buying this Onyx Brighton bell. Siyempre, kakain na! Kumuha tayo ng pistachio croissant tapos sasamahan natin ng oat milk latte. Hanap muna tayo ng pwesto tapos tikman natin. Jamming muna tayo sa banda bago umalis.
What have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance at the club. Oh, mama, at the pink pony club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the pink pony club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood.
O diba? Special number bago umalis. Balik na tayo sa parking habang naglalakad. Nakakita tayo ng isang malupit na mural. Ang bangis. Hindi si Drake yan para, huwag ka malito. Nasa LA ako. Pasakay na kami sa kotse and then finally, it's time to go home.